Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can contact me for downloading SAP IDES, ECC6, EHP8 and also SAP S4HANA 1809, 1909 and 2021. You can contact me. All of them have lifetime validity, FIORI in it with ABAP developer key in it. You can see this is S4HANA 1909. You can see the validity of this machine. You can see the validity of this S4HANA is up to 31st December 9999. It has lifetime validity in it. It also has FIORI in it. You can see these are the two virtual machines. This is the S4HANA 1909 application virtual machine. You can see this is the FIORI. It also has FIORI in it. And this is the S4HANA database. You can contact me for downloading it. You can see the files are already uploaded in my Google Drive. You can contact me. I will send you the download links. You can do the payment. Thank you for watching the video.